Wait, what? It's been so hot in Gurgaon. I am not allowed to touch it. Also, my best friend this summer has to be my clock clip. I never imagined on the space and show you everything that we got. Some cherry tomatoes, but the coffee experience was amazing. I have been wanting this.
Sunshine, a bottle of wine, talk about a day. Cheers.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I feel like I started this vlog but I did not talk to you at all. Happy Saturday. Well, I have been having a very lazy Saturday. You know, usually on Saturdays or Sundays, like on weekends, we go out for a brunch date, for a dinner date, but it's been so hot in Gurgaon. We are practically melting, but I got myself all ready, so we spent most of the afternoon resting, and that is pretty much how my Saturday went. And now I got myself dressed, like decently dressed, to go out because we need to desperately grocery shop. So I was confused between Le Marche and Modern Bazaar, but I think I'm ready for a full-blown Le Marche grocery trip. So that is exactly where we are heading out to. We are heading out to the golf course road. I also have some packages sitting behind me and we need to unpack them together. Also, AB got me something from Amazon. I am not allowed to touch it, but I'll surely vlog it for you guys. So yeah, wearing nothing fancy, just an old t-shirt from H&M, pairing it with blue linen pants and the sneakers my sister got. Also, my best friend this summer has to be my claw clip. I'm gonna carry it in my little purse, and yeah, let's go. Let's fill up the bottle before we go. Guys, I am so excited for this grocery trip. I have been waiting for too long, I think. Thank you. Guys, I love how huge the store is, and it's like a Disneyland for me. Oh, cheese. It definitely needs some mozzarella cheese. This one's my favorite, the pizza mozzarella chili by Moose. Ah, you got the coffee.
Yeah.
It's good. Alright you guys, the orange bags are here. We are back home. But before I show you what all we got, I need to prep some dinner. It is almost 10 p.m. and I don't remember a time where we had dinner this late. So the quickest and easiest meal is obviously dal khichdi. I'm just gonna throw in some ginger, onion, tomatoes, and I already pre-soaked my dal chawal so that I can make khichdi in just 5 minutes. I'm gonna have my dinner and then I think I'm gonna clear out my counter space and show you everything that we got. So I'll be back shortly. Alright, let's do a quick rundown. First of all, let's go through the bread situation. So got these whole wheat burger buns, whole wheat flaxseed kulcha from Poshta, a jumbo wheat bread because I want to make some grilled sandwiches tomorrow morning for breakfast, a pack of mozzarella cheese from Moose, and these two dips. This one is from the brand called Saucery. It's the roasted garlic and spring onion dip. I like anything spring onion, so I'm really excited to try this out. This would be my first time trying this brand and also this dip. And then I just got some classic hummus, a pack of chana dal, and then from ready to eat section I got these soya shammi kebab and this tofu with black bean sauce from Moose, a 200-gram pack of tandoori malai chap from Le Marche itself. They make this in-house, a pack of fusilli pasta. This is from La Molisana. I really like this brand. I've tried the rigatoni, fusilli, penne and many others and I really love the taste of this particular brand. Got a pack of salad mix, some cherry tomatoes, a fresh malta. I did not go heavy on the fresh produce section because tomorrow I'm planning to buy all the fresh vegetables from a local grocery store. And then we also made a quick stop at Nature's Basket and I just refilled my cinnamon powder. You know, this is my favorite milk for matcha, so got this one. I also like it in coffees occasionally, especially in my hot cappuccinos. And then got these garlic granules from Milagro. Basically I was looking for the garlic bread seasoning because it's that good, but I could not find it in store. But then this was the second best thing, so got a bottle of this. And then I got a bottle of light mayonnaise from Remia. And yeah, that's my haul. Also guys, while we were there, we had coffee. You must have seen it. And oh my god, the coffee was so good. But we already have Blue Tokai, at least for I think another 2 weeks. So I think AB and I will be going back after a week or so to get hands on the grounded coffee because it was so good. I sipped very less because I did not want to stay awake, but the coffee experience was amazing. We had it in almond milk and there are these two particular blends that we want to try. So I think we're gonna get some starter packs of those after a few weeks. Definitely going back and making a date out of it. Also, AB and I were just chatting about it. This, like, you do not need to go to a fancy restaurant on weekends. Like, this felt a date to us because we were both excited by the variety of food and things we were picking up. Plus, we had coffee while shopping, which was chef's kiss. So basically, we had a great grocery date and we came as happy kids home. So now I'm gonna put all of this away, wash my face and get into my comfy cozies, and I'm gonna see you tomorrow. Was just cleaning the kitchen and I found the bills from yesterday. I think I haven't mentioned what we spent. So at Le Marche we spent a total of 2183 and at Nature's Basket we spent 768 rupees. Let me know if you guys miss watching what I spend in a week. I think I haven't done it in a while, and let me know if you want me to make it a series like what I spend in a week every month. Do let me know in the comments below. I have a kitchen tip for you if you are struggling to keep your coriander fresh. Just cut out the roots and put it in a mason jar full of water and then back into your fridge. It'll stay fresh for days, and if you want to increase its freshness, just cover it with a Ziploc bag and tie a rubber band. That will also keep it fresh for longer. Hi guys, good morning and happy Sunday. It's been a slow Sunday but kind of productive. I edited a short form content, made super yummy veg grill sandwiches for breakfast today, and I'm already prepping some chane chawal, like white chole and chawal for lunch. Chole chawal is on the menu today because it's the ultimate comfort food. Also, I've been waiting to open these Amazon packages with you. I've especially been dying to open this particular one because AB got it for me and I have no clue what's inside. It feels kind of hard, like solid. Maybe it's a book, I'm not sure. Let's open it. Oh my god, it is a book. Wait, what? Oh my god, it's the Mel Robbins one that I've been going on and on about lately. We were literally listening to her podcast last night while we were going to the grocery store. I will pop up the episode on the screen. It was called Trust Your Gut, How to Make a Hard Decision, and oh my god, it hit home. It was so good. I have been wanting this book for weeks. This was such a cute surprise. He really listened. So this is the book. It matches my outfit. Wow. I am so excited. I love the smell of new books. I am so excited to read this next. Let's open the next package. So this is very adulting core because I ordered some new placemats. Our old ones are just tired. I ordered these ones. I'll have to check if they match the vibe. I'll have to place them on the table and see if the sizing is correct. I just got a 2-pack. This is like beige and off-white kind of situation. Alright, the last package is the set of necklace or your chain extenders. I've been wanting this because I love to stack my necklaces, but sometimes, you know, the lengths clash. And I think this has 2-inch, 3-inch, 5 and 6-inch variations. So I think this would sort out my problem. Now I'm going to quickly go and grab some lunch and I'll see you guys later. Guys, these are our old placemats. They are just not fitting the vibe anymore. Just wanted to show these. By the way, these were from Home Center, and after getting them, I think after a month or so, this thing started coming out. I don't know why. I thought, why not mention this? I always keep mentioning things I love, but this was a no-go. The thing is, I really loved the look of it, but it wasn't practical at all. On to coffee number 2. Guys, before I wrap up this vlog, I'm gonna prep some detox water for tomorrow morning because it's been super hot. Today was, I think, 42 degrees and I need to increase my water intake. So let's prep it quickly. I've already washed the Malta and the cucumber. So I'm thinking of adding a few slices of this and cucumber slices. Plus I have some mint leaves as well. It's gonna be super refreshing. I'm gonna make these slices super thin like this. I think this much should be sufficient. Now I'll just pluck some mint leaves, wash them. I've got this huge water jug. I'm gonna fill it with water later. First I'm gonna add all of this. Alright, this is ready to go into the fridge overnight. I can't wait to have it tomorrow. And with that, I'm gonna wrap up this vlog. I know this was such a different vlog, like very chill vibes, no makeup at home. Also, you guys, I never imagined I would come on the camera without makeup, but you guys are practically my friends. Like, you have been so sweet, supportive, generous, and no awkwardness at all. I just love this community. We chat in the comment section, in DMs, on Instagram, share experiences, recommendations, and whatnot. I think I couldn't have asked for a more supportive fam. So I'm very, very grateful for that. And I hope you guys enjoyed this very chill at home weekend. I know I did not do much, but you know what? I'm making an effort to vlog everything in my life, whether it's unboring but not so boring days, a day-to-day life, daily routines, date nights, date brunches, lunches, breakfast, and everything, just everything. And I'm blessed to be experiencing all of this with you. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. I'm gonna see you guys in the next one.
She
Bye.
keeps me close. In the friend zone? Yeah, but I don't mind it too much though. Why? If my feelings don't show, say it ain't so, man, you should know that I've been saying no. But maybe you're the one I've been looking for so long, so long.